Hi everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm pretty dang excited. We've got a lot of stuff to cover today, but ultimately I finally was able to score a set of my dream wheels. And if you guys have been watching the channel, you know exactly what wheel I'm talking about, but we'll get to that later. So let's talk a little bit about just how much a wheel makes a difference in how your car looks. I think about the S550 that I bought that had the factory GT. It was a brand new car, had the factory GT wheels. Let's look at some before and after. Now guys, that's an amazing difference on how that car transformed by just putting wheels on it. I've actually got my S197 sitting right here in front of me, taking those off and putting a later version of these 19s on it. Just how big of a difference that made. Think about the OBS truck. You can go on and on and on about the difference wheels make and just how good your vehicle looks. And next to that, it's about stance, right? Because you can put a good looking wheel on there and not have the right stance, and it probably isn't going to look the best that it could. So today we're going to go through and we'll talk a little bit about wheels and stance and all that stuff. But I got my dream wheels. They weren't cheap, but I did get a good deal on them. And guys, if y'all haven't figured it out yet, I'm kind of cheap, and I don't like to spend money on things that, you know, well, stuff like that for me, like wheels for my car. You know, I bought these SVE Series 3 when they first came out from LMR, and I think I was one of the first guys to put them on a Fox Body. And, you know, a lot of us did it all at the same time because we all bought them, you know. But as far as getting exposure with my car out there, and that was before I started YouTube or anything, so many complimenting on how well these wheels look on my car. Heck, you see, I haven't even got my car unloaded from pitch yet. And but I can't wait to put these new wheels on it, change things up on my car a little bit. Guys, actually my car is going to change quite a bit this year, so you'll want to stay tuned for that. So I'm going to take you along for the ride. I'm going to load up these wheels that you guys will see at the end. We're going to head over to the powder coater. We're going to get these dream wheels of mine powder coated. So I'm going to take you in there with me. I need to still pick the color. I haven't decided on color yet, so you guys come along for the ride on that. Also, I've got the new set of tires I'm going to take. They're right here. And guys, again, I'm cheap, but these are the same brand of tires I have on this car here, also that I put on my S550. They're a Lenexi. They're good tire. I mean, and I think for this whole set, the rears are 285 35s, and the fronts are 245 40s, and those are almost identical in circumference. So I mean, they look good, and they're a good looking tire. Let's just look at them. I mean, they're a decent looking tire. And I think for the whole set, I think I'm out, you know, a little over $400, I think, for the whole set. So you can't beat that. I mean, I know they're not Nitto triple nickels or something, and they're not going to grip like those, but the way I drive my car, these would be just fine. So already, I want you guys to be putting in the comments, and let's see if you already know what wheel I've got. But I bet if you guys have been watching for a while, you already know what wheel I've got. So we'll get this stuff loaded up. Let's head over to the powder coater. All right, guys, I'm here at Springfield Powder Coating. I just got the tires and the wheels dropped off in there. They've got a huge... this place is amazing. They do a lot of commercial work, but he's also a car enthusiast, which I love. This guy, I could sit around and talk to the owner of this place about cars all day long. So I finally picked out the chip. This is the color, and this is called Crystal Gray. And I'm out here in the sunlight. I want to get you guys out here so you can kind of see the flop on this. A lot of metallics in it. So that's going to be the color. I can't wait to show you guys that color when it gets on these wheels that, well, they're my dream wheels. Well, boys, it's a week later. I am on the way to go pick up. I'm actually in this loaner F-150 from the dealership, but we're almost there. Go pick up these wheels. It should already have the tires mounted on them. We'll get them loaded up, get them back to the house. We can get them put on the car, and then show you guys. Man, I just can't wait. I cannot wait. Well, boys, I got the wheels unloaded, got them sit by the car. I have one little concern, and you guys let me know what you think once we roll the car out of here and I get them on. Did I go too dark? Man, I don't know. You know, well, we'll see. So I'm going to go get these things put on. Then I've got to go watch a ball game. I'm going to watch my nephew play ball tonight. So tomorrow we'll get this thing rolled out here, look at it, see what it looks like out in the sun. And then you guys give me your opinion. Well, boys, I've got the wheels on. We got the car ready. We're going to pull it outside, let you guys take a look at it. Thought it'd be kind of cool. We'll kind of do a comparison. We'll kind of take the car, pull it out of the garage like I did on my very first video on the intro for the channel. So we'll kind of do that same video, and I'll kind of put both of them back to back so you can kind of see the difference these wheels made on this car. And well, just watch. Let's do it. Guys, first of all, thank y'all very much for watching this video. If you can't tell, I am extremely excited that I finally was able to get my dream wheel for the car. And also, I wanted to give a big shout out to my good friend John Brooks, the owner of Dale, which is where these wheels came from. So these are the wheels that used to be on Dale. John hooked me up with a really good price. Thanks for that, John. So of course, without these wheels being on Dale, well, there must be something else coming to Dale. So you guys want to check out John on, of course, on the 50 Asylum Facebook page. You guys will see him post stuff there all the time. Also, Four-Eyed Fox on Instagram. John, thanks again. And thank you guys very much for sticking out, watching this video. If you like the video, hit me a good thumbs up. Share this thing. Appreciate y'all watching, and I'll see you on the next one.